Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a different style of a crochet triangle. So let's get started. So I have my yarn. I'm going to make chain of 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more. Then come right here, yarn over, make a slip knot in these 2 loops. Then the chain 3, yarn over, to make in this center, make 2 double crochet. That's 1, that's 2. So we have 3 in total, counting the chain of 3. Then we're going to make chain of 3 again, yarn over, to make 3 double crochet again. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Come here to make again 3 double crochet. So total we have 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 3, then come right over here in this chain over here, pull through, to make slip knot inside here, slip knot, and then right is this space, slip knot, chain of 3, then yarn over, two double crochet, counting the chain of 3, it will make 3 of them in total, then chain 3, then 3 double crochet, one, two, three, yarn over, then we're going to come right inside here in this space again, and to make 3 double crochet, chain 3 again, three double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, then we'll come right in this space here, chain 3, one, so sorry for that. One, two, and 3. Then come right here in this chain here. Go right inside there. Slip knot and inside in this space. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over to make chain of 3, then 2 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3. Chain, and then chain 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, chain 3. Now, when we come here, we're going to make chain of 2. 1, 2. Yarn over, space, 3 double crochet. 1, that way. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, to make 3 double crochet. Then chain 3, 3 double crochet. Then 1, 2. So see, chain of 2 again, yarn over, right here, 3 double crochet, then chain 3, yarn over, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, yarn over in this space here, to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, then to come in this chain of 3 in between the space, come right inside the space, slip knot, right inside the space, slip knot, then chain 3. So see if as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So we have 3 double crochet in the center, made chain of 4 plus 1 makes 5, because we have a loop at the end to stitch with the 2 loops. So we're going to make 5 stitches, and we have 3 double crochet, then chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, then come here, we make a slip knot, then in the 3 space, then when you come here, you make chain of 3, 3 double crochet, counting the chain, then chain of 3, 3 double crochet, 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 and then chain of 3, 3 double crochet, then make a slip knot again, then on top we'll make chain of 3 again, then 3 double crochet, chain of 3, 3 double crochet, then chain of 2, and in this space we're going to 3 double crochet, then chain of 2, going to make 3 double crochet, then chain of 3, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, chain of 3, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, and you continue the way it goes. So I hope you like my video, and till next time, please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.